Hi angels, welcome back to another Cyanotype video. So I wanted to see how Cyanotype will look on black fabric. So the first thing I'm going to do is having to bleach wherever I want a Cyanotype to go. So I'm going to bleach the center of this shirt and then let it dry overnight, and then I'm going to wash it out and then let it dry again, and that's pretty much it. But you can just wash it out wherever. But I placed something in between the shirt because I didn't want the bleach to soak onto the second layer of the shirt. So only one part of the shirt needs to be bleached. And you guys going to see in real time how the bleach changed like right in front of your eyes. Because obviously this video is very much sped up. What else is next? Cyanotype is from Amazon. I'm going to be using some SeaShells. Probably got from Amazon as well or craft store. And that's pretty much it. And decided not to use any stencils or anything like that. I wanted to see if I can just put any object and the Cyanotype could still transfer. So that's what I'm doing. So like I said before, I just spray a little bit of some bleach on there. I didn't have any more bottles, so I just put some bleach into that bottle right there and then just spray it onto the shirt. And you're seeing it change in real time, which is perfect. And that's it for this part. Dun 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 dun. And I'm just going to be spraying a little bit more because I realized that I may be missing a few little spots. So just did that real quick. And that's pretty much it. It is raining outside, of course. I decided to add a little bit of bleach up top where the collar is or where the neck placement is, just so that it could have that distressed look all around and all over it. And was cleaning up the bleach that's on the little bag. And I already mixed up my Cyanotype, so all I have to do is just spray it on there, which is perfect. Perfect with me. Quick and easy. And that's it. I don't think it's going to get any browner. But it's going to get like a light color. But yeah, that's that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash it out. Soap, water. Hand wash it out, of course. And then just let it dry. And then in the morning, I can just spray some Cyanotype on top of the shirt. This is a Cyanotype. Already mixed in a bottle. After I spray Cyanotype on there, I'm just going to let it sit and dry for 24 hours. I always just let it dry overnight, whatever the case may be, so that it can dry fully. Spray the Cyanotype where I place the bleach at, because that's where you're going to be placing the SeaShells. And that's that. Next is the shells. This is how it looks when it's dry. These ones right here, obviously, when I place the mirror on top of it, they're not going to be laying down flat onto the shirt. So unfortunately, these did not transfer onto the shirt. But these little stars, they transferred on there perfectly. So I guess that's a win-win. So these little stars, I'm going to be spreading all over the shirt so that so it all looks good together. So there's no space in between. That was my main little point. Wow, so windy. After I do all of this, I'm just going to place a glass on top and then turn on my UV light and then let it sit for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, wash it out with some soap and water, let it dry, and then you guys are going to see how it looks. I think it turned out pretty cool. That's the last spot. Nope. Now I just place the glass on top, and then we're just going to be turning on the UV light. Where is the UV light? 3, 2, 1, light. And that's that. Let the light just sit on there and you're good to go. Quick and easy. After that, after an hour, we can turn off the lights and see how how these are looking. And that's when I realized that these did not transfer on there. Maybe one of them. The stars you can definitely see. Just checking to see how they look. So I took out the shells. I washed it and this is how it turned out. It turned out so cute. I liked the way how it looked. If the bigger shells did transfer on there, it would have looked so much cuter. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I like the way it turned out. So cute. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Cheedaloo. Bye-bye.